What's up, y'all? Boss Nation Beauty back with another video, and you already know what's the deal and why you are here watching this lovely. Before we do get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and to turn on your post notifications. But also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Miss Queen Ari. It is right there, and continue getting me up on Instagram as well. Y'all know that's the way, very way you can really like keep in contact with me. And then also listen here, okay, I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna say it once, just like this. Tell your mother, tell your father, tell your uncle, tell your auntie, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your cousins, tell your co-workers, to anybody that you know, to subscribe to Boss Nation Beauty herself. But I'm not gonna hold anybody longer. Let's get into this video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is actually turning on my Remington wand curlers, and I'm actually going to be making sure they're on 30, the highest. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm going to be just doing that. And while those are heating up, I'm actually going to be sectioning my leave out into like a bun, so it's off of my extensions, because I do like my leave out separately, and I will be doing a side. Okay, so I just sectioned off my leave out, so now it's time to do my extensions. Right, but first I'm going to be using my OGX coconut oil hydrating oil, and this is like very good to use on your hair. So I'm just going to be spraying my hair, making sure it's hydrated, not too much, but so then I'm just going to be brushing it through the hair, and then making sure there's no tangles or anything in the hair. So if I'm looking right here, I actually have a mirror right here, so y'all can really see the full process. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my wand curler and I'm going to wrap all the way at the top, and then wrap it and do like a spiral down motion. And I always do this like for 20 seconds. So me, sometimes I'll hold it or I'll just let it like fall, because I don't like my curls too tight at all. Like, never like them tight, and this is like perfect. And I actually do have like this little piece right here. It's so little, but I'm actually gonna leave that alone, and I'm just gonna move on to the next one. And yeah, start at the top, spiral down, 20 seconds. Alright, so I just finished up this side, and this side looks so good, and it's so girly and so pretty. So now it's time to do this side, and if you see it, like, it's so bouncy. It's not like them stiff curls. Like, oh, yo, like, I cannot wait to run my fingers through the curls. And I actually went and like curled this little piece right here, because I was just like, why not? It's cute. So let's finish up this side.
Twenty minutes later.
So now I'm just gonna part where I want my part to be. Maybe right there, so I can have like more hair on this side, or should I do a middle part? But yeah, we're gonna do the side part. And I'm actually gonna section out my bang as well. So on that note, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting ready to do my edges, and as you see, I just like pulled them like now. Like, now you can see my freaking edges. But I'm gonna be using my Murray Cream Beeswax, and then also along with my Gorilla Snot gel, hair gel. And you actually can get these from your local beauty supply store, and I love using them, especially when it comes to doing my edges. But when I'm using my Murray Cream, when I had my side part or my high ponytail, I used this, and this like made my hair last for as long as I had those two ponytails. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you purchase, ladies, you purchase Murray Hill beeswax. Alright, so I actually just did my my leave out off camera, and it is curled. I just actually just tucked it behind my ear, but I'm gonna be using my Conair flat irons to do my bang right here, and these are amazing, and I freaking love these because they actually go all the way up to 410. And yeah, these only also take 30 seconds as well. So while we are waiting, I am just gonna run my fingers through my hair, and just to like loosen the curls in my leave out, and then also on the extensions as well, so it's not so like tight, because I just felt like it was just still a little too tight, and it wasn't that loose as much as I wanted it. And I'll probably do this with my brush as well, but so far I'm actually liking the way it looks without me using my brush, but I probably still use my brush because I like them really, really like loose curls. I'm just gonna be taking my bang right here, and I'm just gonna like section it, because like my hair is actually layered. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit like right here. I'm gonna press it, and then I'm gonna go back over it, and I'm gonna start curling, turning my flat iron. And this, I'll do the same thing, 20 seconds. So. Okay, so see, like they do like the little like bang, that little like swoop, swoopity swoop. So, okay, and then move that out of the way, and I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna do this piece, press it, and then do it again. Turn the flat iron. Alright, so now I'm just gonna like play with it, just like a little bit. So cute. I'm just gonna move my hair back. I'm just gonna do it like that. Let's remove this from behind my ear. And I'm just gonna be blending in the curls in the back, so my hair is covered. I kind of want to brush it just a little. I think I'm gonna brush it. Yeah, just a little, just like a little. Alright, you guys, so that is a wrap for this video. The curls actually really turned out really great. My edges even turned out really great after me taking forever, but it was worth it because my hair looks so good. Even the side part was really cool. It's been real. It's been really real. That is a wrap of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and to turn on your post notifications. Okay. Boss Nation Beauty out. Bye, Nation.